Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and this is a project share, and this was using the Mintay Love Letters paper. But what I did was I followed my Beginner's Easy mini album Flowers for You tutorial. So what I ended up doing is doing all the pre-cuts and making it and just placing the paper on here. So this is an 8.5 by 8.5. It's a no wrap style album with a 2-inch spine. And this is really easy. So when I did this with the papers, I only used one of the 12 by 12 paper packs. I did have a second one here just in case I made a cutting error on my decorated paper, but it was not necessary. I did end up putting some solid colored cardstock in there because by the time I was done there really wasn't much left. And I just did a couple extra little things. So on the Flowers for You tutorial, as you can see, here's a picture of the album. There was some layering in there and some flowers and lace. So I didn't add any flowers. I did layer some little panels in here, but I just kind of made a magnetic flip so I can stick a picture right up underneath here. And that's the difference there. Alright, I'm going to open this up. This is such an easy, simple album. And it's not that expensive to make with only one paper pack. Now in this Love Letters, there was a total of, let's see, 12 double-sided sheets. And like I said, by the time I was done, I did have to add in some solid colored cardstock. So this is it. The page one, we have a little pocket here. And instead of the manila tags, because I didn't have any, I just made a picture mat, and then I have one of the cut apart little mattings. This is a magnetic little strap that holds down the waterfall. And I conserved paper and just put the little pieces down there. So I think it came out really cute with this paper. And what gave me the idea to actually switch it up and use a different paper with this design was my friend Mary Ellen made this tutorial. She used, I think it was House of Roses, and it was just so pretty. She sent me the pictures, and I thought, you know, that's a good idea, is to just use a different paper sometimes with some of the designs and then manage your paper as you go through. Okay, over here I just put some little doilies, and I can see I want to glue that little flap down. It's just a side pocket. And some of the cut aparts, I just cut them in to do some decorating. So there's a picture mats and some little things there. Over here we have, actually on both pages, we have 2 large fold outs. This I just added extra, this and this. And all this is just making a little card base and planting some photos in there. And I did use magnets to hold that down. And same over here. And I made this so I can slide something back behind. This opens up, and this is a free-floating mat. Now this was held down with the magnet, and this is just all open space to place your photos. It's a really good design if you're looking for something really easy and quick. And I added lace. Over here it's a fold out with a pocket, and I have a little picture mat in there. Open it up and we have a large pocket and more picture mats, and over here we left alone so you can just place some photographs. Coming to the last page, we have 2 little side pockets, and since I didn't have any of the manila little tags, I made my own with black cardstock, and I used cuttings from the cover of the paper pack because I was running so low, so I just cut apart that part. So that is that, and over here we have a pocket and a fold out. I just stuffed some picture mats in there, leftover papers, tag, and it opens up and more places just to place your photos. If you are wanting to give a go at this tutorial, there is a link below this video for the tutorial, And one thing I wanted to tell you is our blog, which is our tutorial blog, after a while things kind of drop off or you can't find them. So if you come across that problem, you're wanting the PDF for this, all you have to do is email orders@JS Hobbies and Crafts, and I'll have that down below too, and request your free PDF. And when you do that, just say I'm looking for the Flowers for You PDF of materials and the cutting guide. And that's it. Alrighty, that is all I have to share today. Happy crafting, and I'll see you on my next tutorial.